Wednesday, March the 23rd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's get right into it here. We'll begin with a look at the couple of web cameras here across the state of North Carolina. Still dark out there, obviously. Avalon Pier web camera on the left, Beach Mountain Parkway camera, courtesy of resortcams.com on the right. Temperatures a good bit milder now than where we were at this point yesterday. 55 at Kill Devil Hills and 44 high atop Beach Mountain. Charlotte time-lapse from yesterday. What a beautiful day. We had sunshine throughout the course of the day. Really just an extremely nice day and evening. And another nice one coming up for today. We will continue the warming trend today as well. There were your highs yesterday. Certainly pretty mild, relatively speaking, compared to where we were back over the weekend across the region. Specifically in the Triad area, it was mainly mid-60s for highs, upper 60s for most of the Charlotte viewing area, some mid-60s here and there. And I think a lot of us anywhere from 6 to 10 degrees warmer this afternoon compared to yesterday afternoon. It is already a good bit warmer this morning. Look at the 24-hour temperature changes. These are comparing 5 o'clock hour temperatures this morning compared to yesterday, and a lot of us 10 to 20 degrees warmer this morning, and that means your actual air temperatures, 40s and 50s out there compared to the 30s and the 20s that some of us had at this point yesterday morning. Radar quiet across the Carolinas, still quiet over most of the eastern United States, but here's where the action's beginning to ramp up. You have some snow in parts of South Dakota, Minnesota, Wyoming, and Colorado. That's on the northwest side of the developing area of low pressure there on the front range of the Rockies. And on the severe weather side of that system, the warm air side of that system, you have a big slight risk of severe storms anywhere from western Illinois down to northeast Texas today as this system gradually begins to interact with more warm and unstable air. We are definitely on the warm side of this system. It's going to be a day today that features plenty of sunshine, breezy conditions as well. There's your winds today, sustained 10 to 20 plus miles per hour. Could see some 30 mile per hour wind gusts here or there as we roll along. And again, much warmer today as we continue this warming trend across the region. Lows tonight relatively mild. Now as we get into the day tomorrow, I think we're going to squeeze in a dry day for most of the region, maybe an afternoon shower in the mountains, but most of us will be dry before the next round of showers and a few thunderstorms rolls in as we get into tomorrow night. As we take a look at what that looks like on Futurecast, again, there we go as we get into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, your next round of some showers and thunderstorms rolling through, again, mainly after sunset tomorrow night. And we'll squeeze in a pretty warm day prior to the arrival of that next system tomorrow, too. Now, the front is slow to clear, so we might have a few lingering showers in the Piedmont zones, especially Friday morning. And your highs Friday still relatively mild, although cooler air trying to bleed in from the northwest. And then the weekend picture getting more clear now. I think most of us are going to be dry throughout the course of the Easter weekend. By Sunday night, though, certainly we're fair game to see the next round of showers and thunderstorms roll on in. Let me show you what this looks like on the higher resolution modeling. This is the European solution. Now, this is tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, big piece of energy over the plains that then scoots off to our northwest. That's our Thursday night system. Now, this is a look right here at our Sunday night system. The next piece of energy diving in and kind of buckling through the region as we get into the day Monday. Now, I don't think this solution is correct. That's the European, this solution I'm about to show you. I think this is more accurate. The GFS, I don't think this is correct. It cuts off a piece of energy in the tail end of that trough and doesn't even swing it through here till Tuesday. I don't think the GFS is correct. I think the more European-like solution is correct. So on the Canadian, here's your first of all Thursday night round of showers and a few thunderstorms rolling through, and then here comes the Sunday night into Monday system swinging through. On the GFS, it is now on board with holding the rain off until after sunset Thursday evening. There comes the rain and a few thunderstorms moving through Thursday night into Friday morning. Now we go out to the weekend. This is now the precipitation Sunday afternoon and the evening. So you notice a lot of the Carolinas with a dry Easter. But then as you get into Sunday night, there's the rain moving in. Kind of an unsettled Monday, and there's your slow-moving low pressure on the GFS that, watch this. Let me go out here to Tuesday. This is Tuesday afternoon. It's still a very wet scenario, but again, I don't think that is the likely solution. All right, here's your Friday morning map with the cold front moving through on the European. You get on out into Friday afternoon, and that system's beginning to work on out. Now let's go to Easter weekend. Dry through Easter Sunday for most of the region, I believe, and then there's a system coming through Monday morning, and then that's it. It's gone after Monday on the European, and again, I think that is the more likely solution. So I've gone with the dry forecast for now for Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, leaning away from that very slow-moving cutoff solution that the GFS model is indicating. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.